Tapos,
So yung identity.
kadiri na sa sa papa na. It's higher. Kasi nga, this is your left. Diba it's horizontal? So your artery is so this is your pulmonary artery. Then your bronchus. Basta lagay yung mga tama-chin-chin. Bronchus yan. Kung hindi ka sure, i-shoot mo. Bumakyat, bronchus. Bumaba, bronchus. Tapos, meron ba tayo? Anyways, easy lang. Basta hilum lang. Pag yung difference lang, pag right, yung hilum, order nila, hilum,
sa lingula.
artery.
Ito yung
Vein is always more
tawag dito sa
Vein is your artery. If it's the right lung, it's your hilum, artery is more on top, and then your veins are again, lagging there. That's all you have to remember. Then left, your clue is left, L, lingula. So you have to find whatever tongue thing. And your right is always 3. Pero sa ano nila, parang weird eh. Kunyari ito, ano to?
So juicy.
Right. Pero tinan mo, parang dalawang lobes. And then,
Abnormal.
I don't think you separate. Pero dapat it's separated. Buo siya eh, oh.
Baka may problema.
So, abnormal. Pero, naka-day show di. So, wag na kayo parang, dalawa. Always look for the lingula. So, ito, right. So, walang lingula. Yung left niya, in fairness, well din. Hala, hiwa-hiwalay. Hindi, battery. Sinira nila. Ang shock ng cable. So, it's like that. Tinan mo, mukha siyang upper and middle. But it's not. It's your upper and your lower. Then this will be your lingula. So, we have to be careful. Just orient it. Lagi find the apex.
So yung lingula, anong lobe siya dapat?
Superior. Or upper. Whatever. Basta, ano naman eh, multiple choice. So, effort ka mag-memorize. Ayan. So, lagi lang lingula. It's always, ito sa katong eh. I don't think ito sa katong, but